Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the American Coach, American Tradition 45T. Guys, allow me to introduce the American Coach, American Tradition. It's model 45T. This is a top-of-the-line luxury diesel pusher at $700,000 MSRP that has a kitchen island in it. It's beautiful. Has a slide-out generator tray, Onan 10,000. Sits on a Liberty Bridge chassis, which is going to give you all this amazing pass-through storage. It's a tag axle diesel. It's on a Freightliner with a Cummins engine, 450 horsepower with 1,250 pound-feet of torque. Look at the beautiful full-body paint job. Frameless windows, and I love how they continue the paint on the slide out here. It's beautiful when you're driving, and it's beautiful when you're parked. Look at the steps once we open the motorhome. That is absolutely fantastic. And as you go on inside, you will see that this is hands down one of the best interior design motorhome looks that I've ever seen. That is absolutely beautiful. So as we do a 360, we start up front. Freightliner chassis, telescoping steering wheel, Mobileye collision mitigation, digital dash, everything that you want in a high-end diesel. Over here's the living room area. We got theater seats directly across from a sleeper sofa, and then the TV's right here on a televator. This motorhome has a kitchen island, unfreaking real. Right over there, that's more like a breakfast bar office area. Check this out, if we come down here, it's gonna be nice big sink induction cooktop. Has a little wine cellar right there, a little wine cooler. Over here, we still have the residential refrigerator, which is awesome. And then we enter into our half bathroom area. So first, if you can look at the toilet area, if you look at that shelving, see how it has a handle there? That's actually an emergency exit door, which is very nice. Coming on through there, we got a sink, very nice. Wrapping it all up, we got a master bedroom, king size bed, tons of storage over here. And then finishing up in the master bedroom or master bathroom, has a washer dryer there, nice tile shower, and another toilet area. This is seriously one of the most beautiful motorhomes in the RV industry. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick little tour of the American Tradition, the all new one. Now, this is just a short preview. If you want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thanks guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.